elections went well. Immediately after elections, I don't know what happened. We were transferred to Soroti City East. We went to court against that, in which case we even won the case. That was by who? Justice Musene. We won that case and were taken back to Soroti West. Unfortunately, from somewhere or nowhere, somebody comes in. We were told, no, you are wrongly in the West. You are supposed to be in the East. After elections, are we together? After genuine elections, we were already elected. And Musene himself overturned his own ruling in the High Court of Uganda. His own ruling. We said, what is wrong? We made an appeal. Went to the Electoral Commission. We were looking for justice. We said, is it constitutional for us to vote twice? We voted in Soroti West. Now you want us to vote in Soroti East because there was a by-election. Was it constitutional? And then they put us in court. Unfortunately, I don't know how courts in Uganda work. On January 20th, the High Court of Soroti delivered a judgment. And dismissed our appeal. We really expressed our dissatisfaction over the judgment. A case which even LOC 1 could have judged well. And the High Court of Uganda judged it in the way it did. We don't know the issue of court. We don't know whether it was lawful or unlawful for us to vote twice. I don't know whether it was constitutional or unconstitutional. And a lawyer and also an PI was about 5,000 votes, I think. Now we are just dangling there in the middle. We have voted twice. Last time I went to the Electoral Commission, they said, oh, why did you vote in the West? You did it illegally. By the way, I'm not accusing Ebwalu, Jonathan. I have nothing to do with him. My problem is justice. He's my son, I have no problem with him, but we are seeking for justice. I asked people, is it constitutional for us to vote twice? They said no, but we don't have the mandate cycle to it. And the legal findings by Court of Appeal regarding the status of Soroti Division East constitution has been implications. There are a lot of implications. I don't know how we are going to sort it out. But we still feel we are going to look for justice. This case has over-delayed, and I think usually they say justice delayed is justice denied. And here we are. We lost that case. The case even a chief in the village could judge. Maybe my brother has something to say.
Maybe basically what I can add on.
The name is first.
I'm called Opio Enoch. As the chief petitioner has put on, we are not against anybody, but we are looking for justice. I would challenge the Electoral Commission and find out that the 5,000 something votes that are Loyalty and PI has left in the west side belongs to who? let the Electoral Commission come out clearly and tell Ugandans and tell us that the votes that are Loyalty and OPI have left in the West belong to who? Because there were 4 MPs who contested in the West. Let them come out clearly and satisfy us that those votes belong to who. Because Loyalty and OPI have again voted in the East in the same election. So that's why we are looking for justice. We will kindly need a clarification from Electoral Commission. Thank you.
I'm saying you are the lead petitioner indeed in this case.
All along in our complaints, we have never touched a word, not even a single day.
Are you surprised to see that petition containing Ebwalu's name?
I'm surprised.
So your lawyers betrayed you?
Maybe.
So who do you intend to use in this case? Which lawyers are you going to intend? Are you going to continue with the same one?
We shall sit down and have a look at it. We have not talked to those lawyers even that day when they were making a ruling at the barrier. I didn't attend court session. I should have talked to them. And this week I had no time. I have a workshop in Soroti, Teso. We have a conference. I have not got time to talk to those lawyers to find a way forward.
So on which basis do you address people? Because you hired lawyers because you are lay people who do not understand the law.
Correct.
On which basis now do you...
Just like these judges. Me, I know my problem. In my own simple way, I know it. I know where I am supposed to belong. I know what has happened. It has happened wrongly. I want to be placed where I belong.
So where do you belong?
I'm supposed to be in Soroti City West. Do you know where Soroti City West is?
No.
Apparently, even Soroti Hotel is supposed to be in Soroti City West. You know where Jeresa High School is?
Yes.
Jeresa High School is in Soroti West. Can you imagine? And King's Kid is in Soroti City East. How come? Orwada is in Soroti City West. Hakisimi is in Soroti City East. How come? If you know the geography of Soroti.
Does it mean that you don't have faith in the judiciary of Uganda?
I don't.
Now, according to the instrument of power, during the...
I have the document. OPI, Orwadai, Oderai, Amen, all were under Amen Town Council. If you looked at that document, Amen Town Council as an entity was supposed to be in Soroti City West, which included Oderai, Amen, OPI, Orwadai, Okidoi. Actually, even which is this secondary school?
Which one? The one down?
The one over there. Was supposed to be in a PI ward. Are you getting it? Have that paper. How these people manipulate their papers, we don't understand.
So does it mean here that you are heading to appeal the judgment, or you are still seeking interpretation from the statutory instrument?
I think so.
That actually gazetted the city.
I think so.
What is your feeling now that court has passed on its judgment?
I'm not satisfied with that judgment.
So what are you going to do?
Physically, I'm not, because I'm a traditional born of this place. I know the geography of this place.
What's your next action now?
I will sit down with my lawyers and see the way forward.
But you actually said that you don't have faith in the judiciary of Uganda. How do you think you're going to get the justice that you're looking for?
That one, we shall see. The lawyers will advise.
So you're going to use the same lawyers, the ones that you say you doubt if they maybe did something.
That one, you leave it to me. I will know what to do. I will talk to them and we'll see the way forward. We voted the Ebwalu genuinely. We were under Soroti City West. We have no problem with that. Immediately after elections, we were transferred to Soroti City East. Are you getting it? I think the person in question, I don't know his name, was looking for votes to challenge the elections of Soroti City East. He wanted more people. Are you getting it? Ebwalu was not there at all. We voted those people. The elections were very fine. Are you getting it? We have no problem with Ebwalu. We voted for him.
Why did you delay to take the matter to court?
Which matter?
On the issue of the boundaries. And who is your MP?
There was no need to take that matter to court because we voted genuinely. We were under Soroti City West. Why would we go to court? We went to court at a later stage where they said people in OPI are lawyers, they have voted illegally.
So it was
na sodita kotongo alimokini tungalwira pupok ne pekede journalist kede Uganda kere ebe mamuso uta aito side yo tungana konyena soditi uta aito dikini tunga ekesile abilitai ekesile abilitai ngisani na soditi aloete kedo pia abu musene musalu otube musago bala ba aloete kedo pia ejasi Soroti City West so ija una aloete kedo pia Soroti City West apono chama kine voting angina voting aloet kedo pia MP lo Soroti City West lejo parliament toni kwana amma me tunis konye yangare musago koti ebaka ba aloete kedo pia ejasi Soroti City West omma me beita jeutenen so apono chakare musago ngone baka be kona aloete kedo pia ubongo kasio so nyakare ta aloete kedo pia East ake polo ba potitunga nguno to boba seo ni peina o kari kanya lupalo so kwane ngisiti se koti apota lota yite koti kede electoral commission ba voting wajala ko pia ikeda aloete West erasin wangai abu electoral commission omena itacha ikini so balase be kwani bore ne jai oloto koti de koti elimokini yes so iyangai monyo koso koti ingisite koti de dia bobera aloete kedo pia voting wajala kan ilu komeni kanyi kedi chebo erasin wangai ido god fro jore kede journalist chelo ejasi berenga limokeso ara ida ti orai echetu ngana no chelo ngina mameso mite kesela tie tube musago le jo mamte musago lo arai bai dara yanga rokoti immediately leti no kingarata na laido kedai no kingaru westida narai aloite kedo pia ingisa boya tunis ke polo ba pono lemna aloite mamji perori ajula retwene lo alupoko kwa ujala kini kedwe ke polo ba beitale model aloite kedo pia kida kese voting so apotalimo kise koti bara e patana ole ma voti no aloite kedo pia o paros kedi kesa tunga de maras mi salto sanyi to be ngai tubi asware tiono rinen ale ma aloite kedo pia ya wa oloto kida kise voti nda bongo kisa seo so ngesa kiro no wota omom konye mamso wota osandio tunga nan mami wosa te bol mami wosa ta ngai ngesa kiro no ejasi konya raido right tunga nan yen mami so mita kisel tie tube musa golo e joka de pa
Yo bonne saber de.
Tu kesi tio route go east. Do mam kesa isek osala tatinyo MP na sekta ina jai tio jai then they would have voted in the next election at least then it would be at least
Somebody ala makere tubelo.
mama yala macho because iponele gwaitele that was not the way we took it there.
How would you put it?
We had put it on the electoral commission to sort the things out at least. Not to allow these people to vote. But we need to take it late the way they are saying. We will not take it late. We went immediately.
Okay. Engolo Soroti City East. Mama Kau Angoriana Raibe, Ebwalu, Are Calvin, Arariko, Aratano. Unu kere riko setunga kai o Soroti City. Konye ako Angoriani o Soroti City East. Mama kisile chama iti ido kitunganan aja utikeda voti na are otomokare kai akespolo be Ebwalu boda itungalo pia ikeda loyalty. We told them kai sekitoto resu west kwanenya kunesu east denya kakinisa sione esu bere mama iseke nari jesa kusa voti na hii utase saibile kisili bo access kwa na iseke o east o sekitoto beso west utase saibile kisili weko tote mame no chama isbere kesi kwa nata hii sekata, then we shall handle other things later. What's in upper in so it's okay. It's a chama in the reke seke. Konyesa kosa ngoriana na bi utasi una bilex. Now utasi one person is carrying 2 votes. That the law doesn't allow. Yesido mnajo ba potsa lo to court be no OPA and a lawyer as they have voted twice. I bodo kwa ne better kisa vote na jauti. Are they supposed to be the east or they are supposed to be in west? Arejasi East, then you remove the one of West. Arejasi West, only Moisi so ikoto sajon by bebe itikesa out. Where are they supposed to be? If they're supposed to be in East, I mean West, only must would have voted in case of East. Now they have broken the law. The law doesn't allow one person to vote twice in 5 years.
Okay.
Hey.
So